Update guys, basically I will be showing you some of my work that I've done. Let me just stand it up. If you can see that. So I've got that. And if you could see it, got that. It's my bird. So I've been doing a lot of these birds lately. I'm gonna send them out in packs because, well, I think they're pretty cool. They're, you know, quite easy to make, and they're just pretty cool, really. So I really need to get a fucking camera because I cannot see shit, like nothing at all. And then done them, and this whole sticker sheet is paper, and then all of that is stickers. So I will be definitely, if anyone wants a pack or to trade with me, hook me up, and yeah, peace.